Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today we are going to be talking about systeme.io. More than anything else, I'm going to show you guys something that this tool, this lovely tool that I enjoy using on a monthly basis, weekly basis, daily basis, integrated for us, which has been there from the very beginning. It's an all-in-one tool. And if you guys want to see an entire review about systeme.io, by the way, I have the links to my whole playlist in the description. Feel free to check that out. And you can obviously get into my Facebook group as well. That will be in the description of this video in case you want to contact me and reach out to me personally regarding systeme.io. It is a tool that I use on a daily basis, and specifically for affiliate marketing, guys, I think it's one of the most important tools to have. Why? Because it encompasses everything. It encompasses, as I call, phase one and phase two. Phase one is when you are up learning the affiliate marketing skill set, and phase two is when you become a course creator and then implement those skill sets that you have into the courses and into the products, and something that can be there for your entire lifetime. So once you learn this information, once you learn this knowledge, I think it opens the doors to so many possibilities online, just because it can start as a side hustle. So if systeme.io is specifically a tool that you want to use in your affiliate marketing journey, or in general you want to learn more about marketing, then it is a tool that you need to check out. Okay, so the link is in the description if you want. And if you like these kind of videos, I'm going to say it right now and I'm not going to say it again, but if you do like these kind of videos that I'm sharing, which is basically educational content on a weekly basis for systeme.io, then feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification future videos so that you get notified for all the future videos that I do post. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually share my screen. I'm going to jump on my screen and talk to you about systeme.io in a second. Perfect, guys. So here I am on my screen, and as I mentioned, systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing tool. So if you're interested really in it, I just want to share with you also the pricing. I'm going to open it in another screen so that we can see it, and you can see this the pricing as well. I'm sorry about my internet. I can see that it's choppy, a little bit choppy. So I'm going to plug through and make this video as best as possible. And I hope that it actually stops becoming so choppy and we're able to go ahead and actually look at this entire video without any of these problems. But anyway, let's get into it. I want to really share my screen and share with you more information. So a lot of business owners have been using systeme.io. It's really simple. They have a really good customer support, I do have to say this, and it's a top-notch tool. It's really a top-notch tool, not only for a funnel creator but for a course creator, for all the things that they have, all the features that they have. If you want to create funnels, if you want to send emails. And in today's specific video, we're going to be looking at how you can send a broadcast email out to your entire list. So before I go ahead and share with you, I just want to talk to you about what my structure is currently set up as a new member. I've been using it for the last a month, more or less, but I know that I will be using this for years. I'm already saving about $120 per month, what I was paying before with the previous funnel builder that I was using. And if you guys want to know, I'm fine to say the name. It was ClickFunnels, and Aweber was what I was integrating together. And practically I was spending $120 a month just on that on a monthly basis to keep my whole affiliate marketing side hustle running. In this scenario, I'm doing the same thing. I'm keeping my entire system running, but let me go and shift to the pricing so that you can actually see. I'm actually on the free plan right now, so I'm spending nothing. And even if I was on the unlimited plan, guys, I would still be saving $20 a month with this system. It, for me, even now, I could go to the unlimited plan, but I'm doing this step by step so you guys can see the whole process. If you want to get started for free, then go to the startup. If you want to get to the startup, then go ahead and get started with the startup. It's absolutely fine. It really depends on your needs. So for example, I decided to minimalize and simplify my life with affiliate marketing and continue phase one so that the new person can see the whole process that I'm doing, primarily sharing a product or service and getting a commission on that, until I have 2,000 leads or 2,000 contacts. The moment I have 2,000 contacts, then I'm going to be basically going to the startup plan. So I will be spending $27 a month, and I will have 10 more tags, which is very important for me, and I'll share with you why. But these are the features that are there. One of the things that they have on these different features that are there is tags. Now, tags in Aweber or GetResponse or anything like that, it was called lists. In systeme.io, it's called tags. And tags basically is a list. And as you can see, with the free plan, you can only have one tag, but already with the startup plan, you can have 10. So this will help me maybe a little bit, it's a little more advanced in marketing, but it allows me at least getting up to the 10, allows me at least to create more automation for sure, which makes my life a hell of a lot easier. on the front end, and I just have to focus on one skill set, which I suggest every single affiliate marketer should be focusing and honing down on the skill set, which is traffic generation. That is 100% the place that you need to be focusing on. So that can be free marketing or paid marketing. I personally focus on paid marketing. So I use Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, so on and so forth. And having tags does help a lot because I'm building my email list this way. I basically have a simple funnel. I'm going to share with you that funnel right now. This is the landing page of the funnel. When somebody clicks over here, you will see in a second, it'll pop up and you enter your email address. The moment you enter your email address, it'll take you to this page right here. Also, by the way, if you exit the screen, you can have these set up. Now, how to create a landing page, I'll leave that video in the description of this video. You can check that out if you want to learn how to create these pages. I did a tutorial last week and you can check that out there. Okay, so yes, and this is my thank you page or my bridge page, and you can get the offer right here that I'm talking about. I give you guys a free training. It's about 20-minute training right here, so you can see the exact process, what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys some results which I personally made with the offer, and this page will change a little bit because I think the moment you start to generate results and you start to generate actual commissions, then it's good to add this proof that the strategy that you are using works, because it builds your credibility. This is just a tip that I'm sharing with you guys right now if you're building your own pages, okay? So the moment you start to get some results, post them here, or you get testimonials, post them here, because it all builds on your credibility and you're learning how to create a sales page basically for yourself. But you're promoting you, you're not promoting the product. Promoting the product through you. This is the main reason why we are affiliate marketers. I have this set up in place in the way it is, and I talk about affiliate marketing in my training, so people get an overview of the entire reason of what affiliate marketing is, how it can help you, and so on and so forth. This is how I have structured my business. So let me go ahead to the whiteboard and share with you exactly how it is. Okay, so I have traffic sources. Now this can be free or paid. You can use Facebook, you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, you can use whatever. You have these traffic sources. So for example, and I'm going to give YouTube as an example so you guys learn. If you are interested in specifically this funnel that I have and the offer that is teaching about traffic sources, is teaching about affiliate marketing, there's a link in the description of this video that will take you to this page. So the call to action that I just made for you guys on this video live, just as an example, right, is a free traffic source because I'm using a platform like YouTube to share this information, and I'm telling somebody to a call to action to basically go on the link in the description and click on that if they wanted. So that is a free traffic source. Facebook can be a free traffic source. I like to do it on paid traffic sources. I don't focus on free traffic sources. I focus on paid traffic sources because it's just something that I like, and I think I can control a little bit more by understanding the numbers, understanding the science behind it, understanding the marketing behind it, and so on and so forth. That's just me. For you, maybe free methods is something that you like, and that's perfect. So focus on those traffic sources. Those traffic sources are getting sent to a landing page that has an offer. I put also offers here so that you understand it's a landing page and a thank you page. So it's a two-step usually, and you make a sale. When you make a sale with affiliate marketing, that can be something you're passionate about. So for example, if you're interested in health and you have a health product, when you make a sale in that health product, I basically use that commission, 80% of that commission, I put it to my traffic sources because personally, so I need to have my cash flow. Always I'm investing into my business, I'm investing into my skill set, I'm investing into actually getting more eyeballs to my offer. So I put 80% back into traffic sources, and this is how it goes. But in this whole process, what am I doing? I'm building my email list. This is one of the most important things. I'm building my email list. Everything is building my email list. Okay. At the end of the day, all my leads that are coming in are helping me build this one thing. And after a certain point of time, I can use systeme.io to send out emails on every single day. So let me go ahead and go into my dashboard, and I want to share with you how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to blur out some names and contacts and stuff like that, but you can see right here, I have 52 leads at the moment in my systeme.io account, which means I email out 52 leads at least. And now if you go to emails right here, you can see that you can set your campaigns. Now, as a free member, let me show you, you can send unlimited emails. So as a free member, you can send unlimited emails, but even as a paid member, you can send unlimited emails. This is a good feature, right? And you can see right here that unfortunately there's only one tag and only one campaign. So I can't make more than one campaign. So I made one campaign. Going back to my dashboard, I'm going to go to emails here, and you can see campaigns, and I have just one campaign with 35 emails in my campaign. One campaign with 35 emails in my campaign. That's what I have there. At the same time, let's go ahead and share with you more. I can send out unlimited newsletters. Let's go back to the pricing so that you see. If you scroll down here, I still can send unlimited emails. Email sent unlimited, which basically means that I can send newsletters which are unlimited. So what I'm currently doing, and I'm going to show you how to do it, in systeme.io, it's called newsletters. In Aweber and GetResponse, it's called broadcast. It's pretty much the same thing. All you need to do is go on news emails tab here, newsletters, and then click on create. When you click on create, you add your subject. Okay, so I'm just going to show you test to give you an example. And I personally use the classic editor, but if you want to use the visual editor, you can look at the visual editor. They have some templates there, but I use the classic usually. It creates this right here. Then you click on the subject of the newsletter, and you can always edit it at any point of time. And it opens within systeme.io itself, right? So you can change the subject here. So I'd say change subject so you understand. And then you can write your email out. So let's just say, hi, folks, I hope you are doing well. And you can create this email, which I think is very important for you to understand your list, to share about yourself, share value to your list. Don't always promote your list. They need to know you. They need to like you. They need to trust you. So build your relationship with them. This is the space where you can build your relationship with them. Now, let's just talk about the features that the newsletter has. First and foremost, you save and schedule the newsletter. So you don't need to schedule it immediately, but you can schedule it at another time. You can send emails to only contacts that have registered, for example, more than 2 days, or registered just yesterday. You can send them to how many days ago they were registered, for how much time. And this is the interesting part. You can send a newsletter to also include one of the lists or exclude. So if you want to include all the lists, you can select all. If you have multiple tags, basically you can select all the tags and include all the people in all of those tags. Or you can say, let's only send to 1, 2, and 3. So for example, as you go ahead and follow this formula and start to now automate your business a little bit more on the back end with systeme.io, you can manage. So if somebody buys from you, you put them on a buyers list. If somebody enters only their email address, they have not yet bought from you, they're on the initial tag. So they have 2 different tags. So you can exclude the initial tag and only send to the buyers if you want. So it's all about building that relationship, right? But this is as simple as it is. So you just obviously can choose, and then you can save and schedule. And this is the important part, so that you understand when you save and schedule, it says you can test it out. You can schedule a date, as you can see right here. Okay, you can send at which date and time, or you can send it immediately. And this is the preview before you actually send the emails. So now I'm going to cancel it because this was just a test to show you guys, but that's how easy it is to send a newsletter, guys, which is basically a broadcast email to your entire list. This is the training that I want to do on systeme.io. I'm going to be doing much more in-depth trainings. I'm using systeme.io from A to Z, basically with almost everything. I'm trying to slowly, gradually implement it. So as I am a free member, I'm using only one funnel and I'm using only one email campaign. But then as I get a paid member, so you'll get updated trainings, guys, on systeme.io. So I highly suggest, if you're interested in using this tool for the long term, and I'm going to share my journey and share with you tricks and tips along the way, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification below. But I also use for my own blog. So I've created my own blog with the help of systeme.io, just to show you guys. I want to go to it, but I've created my own blog. So I'm literally using it from A to Z, with articles, with long in-depth articles. So for example, this is the most recent article that I wrote on a traffic source that I review, and an email marketing method. But just to show you guys how it looks, this is a full proper blog with, a table of contents with my video as well. So let me just scroll up here. Here's a video, as you can see, table of contents, a whole review that I've done in written form, and they can get started with results and everything else. So this is just to give you guys a little bit of an understanding that I'm using systeme.io completely from A to Z with everything that's there here. So if you're interested, like I said, the link to this funnel will be in the description of this video. First and foremost, you'll also find a link to systeme.io. You can get started for free, or you can get with the paid plan. It's really up to you. And it's a beautiful place. Next week, I'm going to be talking about the marketplace specifically. And I want to share with you why systeme.io can be a good source for affiliate marketing products, and how you can generate income and a commission from it, affiliate marketing commissions from systeme.io as well. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.